Welcome to AI Rasoi by Sam. Let's make perfect Kaju Katli at home. And you need just 4 simple ingredients. First, pulse 250 grams of cashews into a fine powder. Sift it well for an extra smooth texture. Now cook 150 grams of sugar with 80 ml water. Cook until you reach a one-string consistency. Cook until it becomes a soft dough and leaves the sides of the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee and mix well. Place it between parchment sheets and roll it evenly. Now cut into beautiful diamond shapes. And there you have it, smooth, delicious, homemade Kaju Katli.